Hey guys, welcome again to Fun with Nuts. In this video, we are going to solve this problem. 2 to the power of a times 3 to the power of b is equal to 12. 2 to the power of b times 3 to the power of a is equal to 18. Find a and b. So here's the solution. By the way, this is our first equation and this is our second equation. Now, what we are going to do is let's multiply equation 1 and equation 2. So that is 2 to the power of a times 2 to the power of b times 3 to the power of a times 3 to the power of b equals 12 times ap. Now next is, let's follow the rule of a power. We have a to the power of m times a to the power of n, which is also equal to a to the power of m plus n. So this is now 2 to the power of a plus b times 3 to the power of a plus b equals 12 times 8a. Now, another rule of a power, we have a to the power of m times b to the power of m, which is also equal to ab whole to the power of m. So for this, we need to multiply the bases, 2 and 3, and that is 6, then to the power of a plus b equals 12 times 18, that is equal to 216. Next is, we can write 216 into a power form in terms of 6. So this is now 6 to the power of a plus b equals, reuse the base 6 to the power of 3. 6 to the power of 3 is just equal to 216. Now for this, they have the same base, 6 and 6. That means we can equate the power, and that is a plus b equals 3. So this is the result of multiplying equation 1 and equation 2. Now next is, let's divide equation 1 and equation 2. So this is now 2 to the power of a times 3 to the power of b equals 12 over 2 to the power of b times 3 to the power of a. On the right side, 12 over 18. Now for this, let's separate. That is 2 to the power of a over 2 to the power of b times 3 to the power of b over 3 to the power of a equals this 12 over 18. We can reduce this by dividing both with 6. So 12 divided by 6, that is equal to 2. 18 divided by 6, that is 3. So the reduced form of 12 over 18 is 2 over 3. So we write 2 over 3. Now next is another identity. We have a to the power of m over a to the power of n. That is also equal to a to the power of m minus n. So let's apply. So this is now 2 to the power of a minus b times, for this is 3 to the power of negative a minus b equals 2 over 3. And then for this, we can write it as 2 to the power of a minus b over 3 to the power of a minus b equals 2 over 3. And then for this, we can write it also as 2 over 3 whole to the power of a minus b, since they have the same power, which is a minus b, in equals 2 over 3. So for now, for 2 over 3, we put a constant power, which is 1, so that both sides have a power. And now if you observe, they have the same base, 2 over 3 and 2 over 3. That means we can equate the power, and that is a minus b is equal to 1. Now, this is the result of dividing equation 1 and equation 2. A minus b is equal to 1. Now, the next thing that we can do is to add a plus b equals 3 and a minus b is equal to 1. So a plus a, that is 2a. B plus negative b, this is 0, in equals 3 plus 1, that is 4. Divide both sides by 2. This is cancelled. We're left with a is equal to 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So now a is equal to 2. Now for the value of d, we can use this. A plus b equals 3. Now for the value of a, which is 2, put it here. 2 plus b equals 3. Now take 2 to the other side. So this is b is equal to 3 minus 2. And this is b is equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1. So now we have the value for a and b. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. Now we can check if our answers are correct. So using the first equation, 2 to the power of a times 3 to the power of b equals 12. So a is 2, so 2 squared times 3. B is 1, so 3 to the power of 1. 2 squared, that is 4, times 3. 12 equals 12. So this is correct for the equation 1. Now using equation 2, 2 to the power of b times 3 to the power of a equals 18. Now 2 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of a, that is 2, equals 18. This is 2 times 3 squared, that is 9, equals 18. 2 times 9, that is 18, equals 18. So they are equal. Therefore, this is also correct for equation 2. And that's all for today. For more exacting videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun with Nuts.